Good afternoon there. Today I have for you a 2021 Ford Transit. This Ford Transit has 68,000 miles on the clock. It is a long wheelbase, medium roof panel van. So if I just take you around now to show you inside the cab, you can walk around here. As you can see inside we have 3 seats, of course. And I'll get around to the driver conveniences when we get around the other side. We just look into the cargo space in the back. As you can see, it is absolutely ginormous. Within here, along with rings for cargo straps. And I'll just show you the cargo area again. Over here. There we are. Now I'll just take you to the front of the cab here. This comes with 6 gears, manual, air conditioning, radio, and if I just turn the engine on here, I can show you that we do also have parking sensors, which are a very nice feature upon a large vehicle like this.